What's going on, Palmeretti's? Okay, it is Wednesday, May 6th. Our science for today is pages 508 to 514. So get those pages out. Hope you guys are doing well today. All right, page 508, you're going to be reading about winter foods. Most plants do not grow during the winter when temperatures are cold. So, how do places with cold winters get their food during the cold winter months? As you read through this, you could put a P for problems as to how they solve them, okay, and for their solutions. So think about this. So our strawberries, we don't have strawberries all year round, right? It's not strawberry season. So when our strawberry season is happening, our strawberries are bountiful. We've got a lot of them. Stores are full. But what happens when our strawberries are gone? Where do we get our strawberries from? That's kind of what this problem's about. So, in the town where Teresa lives, strawberries are grown during the summer. The cost of the locally grown strawberries is $1 per pint. Well, during the cold winter, strawberries are brought in by truck from California. The cost of those per pint is $3 because they pay for the traveling, the transportation, getting them here. Well, Teresa's family, they eat 13 every month. How much more? So, this is a math problem. Does Teresa's family spend on strawberries in December than they do in June? So, if we are spending $1 per pint in the month of the cost of the grown is $1 per pint during the summer, right? That's $1 per pint for 13 pints every month. Get that answer. But then during the cold months, December, it's $3 per pint and there's 13 per family. So figure out both the winter and the summer prices, and then it says how much more. What are you going to do with those? Subtract those and get me an answer there on page 509. Then page 510. This is where you'll be able to draw a line to match these. Where do they match? But down at the bottom, there are no words. You've got to look back. You've got to use pages 501 to 509 to help you with this. So you've got to dig back into all the previous pages in this unit to help you find the words that fit in here. Okay? There's not a list. You've got to find them. Page 511, use the clues to fill in the missing letters of the words. Again, you're going to use pages 501 to 509 to help you find the words here. Dig back into it. On the lines below, list some fruits that you eat during winter. Tell where the fruits might have been grown. Just tell me some fruits that you eat and where do you think they might have been grown. Okay. Page 512. This is a maple tree. I want you to tell me the 4 seasons. Tell me which one is summer, winter, spring, and fall. Okay. Down here, fill in the concept map showing how the seasons affect animals. Watch this. Humpback whales do what? Okay. Hibernation, who does it? So tell me an animal that hibernates. Look back at pages 501 to 509. Dig back into the chapter. Then find your page of that map that you showed there and show me the migration map, the migration route of the manatee. Then in the space below, draw your schoolyard during summer. Then draw your schoolyard during winter. Show how plants change during the seasons. That one's going to be kind of not too much of a change for us. If we were up in the north, the winter might have snow on the ground and that there'd be no leaves on the tree. So just talk about, you can draw a picture, you can just write it out about here. And don't stress about that one, but just give me a sentence or a couple sentences about summer and winter and what our playground looks like. And then page 514, all right, page 514. In the chart below, write some changes that happen to our hours of sunlight and temperatures during the summer and winter. So what changes with the seasons? Okay, what happens in our summer? What happens in our winter? Keep it very simple. Talk to me about what happens with the temperature. Talk about what happens with our daylight. Okay, so talk about that one. And then the pictures show the Arctic fox during different seasons. Label the seasons. Which one would be summer, winter, spring, or fall? Or which one would be summer and spring? Which one would be fall and winter? Just write out what seasons go down there. All right, it's going to knock out your science. Page 508 to 514. Make sure you use pages 501 to 509 to help you. All right, and this is due Thursday, 3 o'clock. All right, talk in a bit. Bye.